All right, guys, we're on our back. We got cradle rocks. We're aiming for 10 reps here. On the lower back, keep that lower back flat the entire time. That's 1. Squeeze your heels together. 2, 3, 4. You want to keep your body stiff. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more here. 10. Good. We're going to flip over. With the Spider-Man push-ups, you're going to drive your knee up on the outside as you go down. So an inhale, exhale, come up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more here. 10. Good. We're up on our feet. Grab onto one dumbbell. We got a goblet squat. We get nice and low here. Fall back on your heels. Keep your chest up. All right, here we go. 10 reps. Squeeze at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, kick the knees out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. We got curls. We're going for 20 reps here. Grab onto a pair of dumbbells. We're gonna exhale. That's 1, 1, 2, 2. We're gonna turn at the top. 3, 3, 4, 4. Remember, control coming down. 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9. 2 more here. 10, 10. All right, we got 12 reps of bent over rows. Fire the hips back, keep the chest up high. We're gonna inhale, exhale. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Keep the shoulders locked back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. There we go. Nice work right there. All right, we got 2 feet out, 1 foot in with the jack squat. We're getting low. We're gonna drive 1 leg up here. All right, so 1 squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drive the toe up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, there we go. Round 1 complete. We're on our back. Deep breaths here. Let's go right into our cradle rocks. Put all that energy right back into our core. Remember, stiff legs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Lower back flat. 4. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your heels. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more here. 10. Remember on that exercise, guys? You want your lower body and upper body to be one complete part, not separate. Right afterwards here, we have 1 push-up or Spider-Man push-ups here. Deep breaths. Let's go. 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more. 10. We want our foot parallel. All right, we're up on our feet. Whew. We got a goblet squat. All right, let's hold the weight nice and close to the chest. Fall back on those heels. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze at the top. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 more here. 10. Nice, good. Ooh, we'll go right into the curls. Here we go. Deep breaths here. 20 reps. Here we go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. Squeeze at the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 more, 10, 10, woo. Shoulders are burning. We're right into bench over rows. We got 12 reps. Fire those hips back, chest up. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let's go 2 more, 11, 12, nice work right there, all right? For the bent over rows, you guys can squeeze for 1 second at the top. It's gonna really help with the posture, help with alignment. We got the jack squats, a little bit of cardio here we go. Squat, toe up, squat, toe up, that's 2, 3, 4, squeeze the abs, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, here we go, rest up. All right guys, remember with the cardio exercises, go as fast as you like, as long as you're in control. Strength exercises, slow and control. All right, you want those muscles to be engaged. Woo! We're right back to the cradle rocks. We're on round 3 here. Deep breaths. You guys want to take your deep breaths after you complete the circuit. I mean, obviously throughout the whole entire workout, but you give yourself a little bit longer break once you complete the circuit. All right, we're good to go here. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, keep that core tight. 4, 5. Good way to do that, squeeze your glutes. 7, 8, 9, there we go, 1 more. 10, let's go. All right, flip over here. We got Spider-Man push-ups. All that energy in your core. Here we go. Foot parallel with the floor, straight to the side. Going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more here. Woo, 10. It's a good set. When you go down to your push-up, have your knee touch your elbow. We're right back in the squats here. Deep breaths. Hold that weight close. Again, low. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more here. 10, that's a good set. Woo. Deep breath, starting to catch up a little bit here. We got the alternating curls. Let's stay strong. Here we go. 1, 2, trying at the top. 3, 4, 5, try not to rock. 6, 7, pinch your shoulder blades. 8, 9, 2 more here, baby, let's go. 10, 10. All right, we got the bench over rows. We're gonna squeeze for a second at the top. Work on that posture, back of the shoulders, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, there we go. That's a good set. Let's push through this here, okay? 20 reps, let's go. 1, 2, squeeze, 3, 4, 5, fall back on the heels. 6, up to the toes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, drive the toe up. Works more on the abs. 13, 14, let's go. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, ooh, 20. All right, deep breaths here. Going on to round 4. All right, 5 minutes left. See if we can get through 2 more rounds. We have to push through this. Let's stay strong. All right, Time to go. We're gonna go right at 5 minutes. There we go, 5 minutes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, squeeze the legs, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flip up. Remember, it's okay to lose yourself in the workout. Go into your muscles, take deep breaths, feel it, stay in control, don't rush through it. You got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go, that's 10. So we like right there. Sometimes I double count, 1, 1, 2, 2. Mentally, it helps me out, keeps me focused. All right, aiming for those high numbers makes it a little challenging sometimes. All right, we got the goblet squats. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 more, 5, nice. All right, let's go with those curls. Pinch your shoulder blades, hands all the way down. Here we go, 1, 2, 2. If you really want to round bicep, go all the way down. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's obviously a lot of strength exercises, but you guys should be feeling this, all right? And if you're not, maybe go a little slower, a little bit more heavier weight. 12 reps here, let's go. Pinch, squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, let's go. 2 feet out, 1 foot in. We're almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, 9, keep going. 10, nice, let's go. Where we at? 2 minutes, okay, let's get back into it. One more round here, let's push. This is the one we fight through here. 10 reps, let's go. Stay in control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice. If you get fast, as long as you stay in control. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go. Right into those squats. Got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're crushing it right now, let's go. All right, we got 20 reps. 1, 2, 3. Don't rock. 6, 7, 8, 9. Might need an extra 2 reps, not sure. Here we go, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, there you go. That's how we grow, baby. We push, we stay in control. 20 reps, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. All right, guys, we're done. We almost made it through 5 rounds. Hey, that was a good push, good full body workout. A lot of upper body. We always have push, pull. We always have core. We always have legs. Now, what's important is that during these movements, you just always stay in control. You always push to be better and challenge yourself, right? Make every movement intentional. So don't rush through it. Protect your joints, your ligaments, feel your muscles, and get after it. Follow us, share with your family and friends. Let's get everyone healthy. Let's go.